A Sunday morning, I wore my mother's very old black leather shoes when I went to the hospital. My hair was down. I sat on the sky train, alone in a corner, by a window, shaken. Taken back by the beautiful view of the tumultuous river that 10 a.m. morning. The illustrious sun, the dew on dark and wet bark. It was indeed a memorable morning for me, and my pulsating heart. I carry a pink note bag, one that a college girl would carry. In my note bag was a set of papers with handwriting I had written the night before. I got off Sapperton Station, not too far away from home. I had lied to my parents that I was going for a walk that Sunday morning. When I exited the train station, the sun hit my eyes with its warmth. Its brightness made me blank. I walked half a mile to the local hospital. It was hard for me to walk up that hill. It was hard for me to walk up the concrete stairs to the hospital entrance. I wobbled. I felt faint and needed to lean on the banisters as I got up. My stomach felt queasy. But I thought I was very brave that morning to seek help. I wanted to tell the doctor, I got raped. 我被强奸了。我被强奸了。I got raped. It takes a lot of bravery to say rape. It takes a lot more bravery to keep it in your heart and live with it. I could not say it. It was too embarrassing to say. It was too humiliating. I had no boyfriend in my life. I got raped. I had no boyfriend in my life to save me at this time. It was too humiliating to know that I could not protect my body independently of the help of the others, and that I could not be a hero and a champion to my own skin, and the blood, and the heart, and the soul. I had a hospital and a family, and it still was not enough. It was not enough to save me from looking over the edge of my own 22nd floor balcony.